Making these small little changes on your TikTok account will make a huge difference with how you get followers on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to share 3 TikTok growth hacks that I've learned to get over 10,000 followers on TikTok and will help you grow fast on TikTok. A reason why people get disappointed about their low views on TikTok and if they're not growing on TikTok is because they're not doing these 3 things that I'm about to share in this video. And that just means that the TikTok algorithm is working against you and you don't want that. A quick hello that I'm Melissa Laurie, and on this channel I help brands and content creators grow on social media. So let's start with number 3 with how to grow on TikTok, and let's get into it. Number 3 with how to grow on TikTok is your TikTok video ID. And before we get into this section, please just ignore what's in the background. I'm selling a mattress and I just couldn't move it for this video. So just ignore that. So a big mistake that a lot of people make on TikTok and why their videos are not going viral on TikTok is that they keep thinking about their TikTok videos from their perspective and not the perspective of the viewer. So you might be thinking that you've spent all these hours creating a TikTok video and then it just doesn't perform, and then you're left wondering, what the hell just happened? Okay, so I'm going to share with you a really powerful way with how you can come up with viral TikTok IDs for any niche. It doesn't matter what you do. The website is called Answer the Public. So basically this website scans the internet and gets a ton of data from websites such as Google. And so we can see the search trends and what is popular for that specific thing that we're searching for. So let's use the topic of this video, how to grow on TikTok, and boom, straight away, you can see a ton of different search results. This is just a gold mine for TikTok video topics that you can use to create your TikTok videos and get more followers on TikTok, because your videos are going to be more interesting because it's based on actual search results. One thing to note that when you're looking at the graph, that the darker orange circles, it means that they're more popular search terms. So that's just a really helpful bonus tip. But what I really want to share with you is that when you scroll down the page, you can see that the search results are in alphabetical order. So you can see really great topics like how to grow on TikTok without showing your face, how to increase TikTok watch time. You can do the exact same thing for your industry as well and search for different topics so that you can actually get real data about the different types of TikTok videos, and that's going to help you grow really fast on TikTok. I'm just going to interrupt my own video and have a sip of water, and to let you know that the next cohort for Social Media Genius is launching really soon. So if you want to learn how to post quality content, you want to attract quality leads and grow on social media, this course might be of interest for you. It's for 5 weeks and you can just check out more details here. So let's get back to the video. TikTok growth hacks number 2, TikTok video hook. This is really important if you want to get followers on TikTok, and a lot of beginners on TikTok don't actually do this. So the video hook of your TikTok video is the first few seconds of your TikTok. So whether you say something in those first few seconds or you're actually doing something, but the point of your TikTok video hook is to grab that person's attention on TikTok and make them watch your TikTok video before they scroll away. So let me just give you a really quick example. This video here performed really well on my TikTok profile. So if we watch it,
this is what to post on social media. C is for connection.
You can see that the video hook is what to post on social media. So I'm sharing a sneak peek about what this video is all about on TikTok. There are so many different types of video hooks that you can use for your TikTok videos. I want to give you a really quick TikTok bonus tip as well. So when you're working on your TikTok video hook, if you are going to say it in your TikTok video, actually speed up the words so that you're saying the words really quickly. Just like in this example here.
This is day 1 of my solo trip to Bali.
And the reason why this is really important if you want to grow on TikTok is because it means that you're getting your TikTok video hook across really quickly and you're having a better chance at grabbing that person's attention. TikTok growth hack number 1, TikTok video description. Does this happen to you? You spend all this time filming your TikTok video and you're ready to post it, and then it comes to the TikTok video caption and you just don't know what to write. In fact, you might just repeat what you said in the video. Do not do this. This is a really big mistake. The TikTok video caption is really important because it's another way that you can grab the attention of someone scrolling on TikTok and encourage them to watch your video on TikTok. So what I actually do, and I genuinely do this, is that I actually search my video topic on Google, and then you can actually see different results there. So if we search for how to grow on TikTok on Google, we can see the suggested topic, how to grow on TikTok. Then we can see 2023, and for free. So that will be a really great TikTok video caption to use in my TikTok video because it's got these other keywords that are really popular based on what people are searching on Google. A lot of people struggle to get their videos to go viral on TikTok. So if that's you, then you might want to check out this free guide that I put together. I talk through 5 really important steps with how you can get your videos to go viral, and you don't even need a big follower count. In fact, number 3 is my favorite point out of the lot. I'll actually leave a link to the free guide below so you can grab it. If you enjoyed this video, you might want to check out this video here, which is all about TikTok hashtags, or this video here, which is all about faceless video ideas. See you next time.